Is there a functional programming idiom for filtering a list into trues and falses? Say you have some list L and you want to split it into two lists based on some Boolean function P. That is, you want one list of all the elements L where P, L, is true and another list where P, L, is false. I can implement this in Python like so. My question, is there a functional programming idiom that accomplishes this?
From Idiom's examples.
Hoogle is a good tool for this. You can enter a function type and see all functions with that type. In this case we need as input, a list of A, and a function that takes an A and returns a Boolean, and the output is a pair of lists of A. In Haskell syntax that's A, bool, A, A. From there we see the relevant function is partition. Implementation. In Python. Or this is faster, but a bit uglier cause it's asymmetric. This does do twice the number of calculations you need, though, but I think you have to do that if you don't have mutation.
That's the height of functional programming style, unless you want more function calls.
You can do this with a reduce that generates a two-element tuple result. Returns a two-tuple. First portion is a list of elements that make some func, return true. Second is the rest.
Sure there is. In fact, there's one found in Python already. Look under Itotools for the group B function. However, you're going to have to sort the list by the function type first. I'm fairly certain that this is not what you're after, but it's a start. I've always implemented what you're asking for via ifilter.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.